This is how to assemble the rocker from Najell. Grab the metal bars with the angled tops and slide them into the underside of the wooden top. Screw them in to keep everything nice and solid. Take the metal legs, start with the legs marked with an A and connect them. You'll hear the click when they're locked in properly. Then continue with B and C. Now slide the wooden legs into the metal legs. They should fit snugly inside. Use the Allen key that came in the box to tighten the screws on the wooden legs. Give them a good turn. You want them firmly in place. Flip the frame over and screw an anti-slip foot onto the bottom of each tripod leg. Clip the carabinder onto the top of the motor, then use that carabinder to hang the motor right in the middle of the metal bar. Make sure it's centered before moving on. Clip another carabinder to the bottom of the motor, then connect the spring to it using the swivel. The swivel is what lets the cradle rotate freely later. Pull the fabric cover down over the spring and tie a knot at each end to hold it in place. The cover needs to stay on at all times. Attach the cradle to the bottom of the spring by connecting it to the swivel. Lift the fabric cover on both sides so you can access the ends of the metal bars. Then pull the fabric back over the sides to close the gap. Pull the safety cord out from the bottom of the motor, thread it through the metal ring at the top of the cradle, then loop it back and lock it around itself. Push the power supply into the top of the motor, then loop the power cord around one of the legs. Use the cord fasteners that came in the box to keep it tidy and out of the way.